Saudi Arabia is making waves in the global entertainment scene, and its latest venture is set to thrill automotive fans. Qiddiya have announced the groundbreaking Mercedes-AMG World of Performance, which has car enthusiasts pumped. Spanning a massive 45,000 square meters, this immersive experience is all about speed and racing precision. Visitors will dive into over a century of Mercedes-AMG's motorsport legacy, showcasing the brand's remarkable achievements on the track and beyond. The venue will boast 9 floors filled with exhibits, cutting-edge simulators, and hands-on driving experiences. Guests can explore the inner workings of a Formula One team, with over 60 high-tech simulators and a Motion 4D simulator theater that replicates the excitement of professional racing. Younger fans will also have their moment in the spotlight, with interactive areas where they can design their dream race cars and learn teamwork in a simulated pit garage. The Qiddiya Speed Park will feature a circuit designed by ex-F1 driver Wurz and renowned designer Hermann Tilke, boasting 21 thrilling turns inspired by iconic global racing circuits. This track is set to host significant international events, further enhancing Saudi Arabia's presence in the motorsports arena. Slated to open by 2030 and supported by Qiddiya Investment Company, Mercedes-AMG, and the Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 team, the Mercedes-AMG World of Performance is poised to become a standout attraction in the kingdom, ensuring an unforgettable experience for all speed enthusiasts.